make sense. Like it could mean something. And if this thought comes to mind, I should enhance this, I should enhance this. You should just ignore it.
Yeah, we're live, by the way. Just FYI. Cool, cool. Awesome. No, man. I mean, I definitely get that. It's just I don't understand. Like that's basically the same thing. It's like introducing additional steps before launching, and it feels like a method of procrastination, you know? It's like, okay, I want to delay launching. I mean, the reason could be different, right? The reason might be, oh, I don't feel like I marketed it, the marketing material is not good enough, or maybe the product is not good enough, or maybe the value, or maybe whatever. Like there are all sorts of different excuses that you can come up with, but the end result is that the thing doesn't get
The
shipped.
same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and that's so frustrating. And I don't know, maybe you just need to power through it. And, after the first experience, it's painful. Maybe it takes you a whole week and then you eventually launch it. The second experience might take 5 days. The third might take 3 days. And then maybe eventually you get to a point where, it's just whatever. You care less.
Just
Like yeah, you've detached your ego. You just, focus on launching quickly. Maybe that's what it is. You just need to get your reps in.
okay. How did you manage to? So you've had a few products you managed to ship. How did you manage to ship them? Did you ship them quickly or did you ship them
Man, it's slow.
by
Like I
approximately?
have the same issue,
Yeah.
man. Like whenever I say, okay, I'm gonna launch quickly. I mean, this project I was gonna launch before Eid. Like I had the idea before, and then I kind of set up the NAN workflow to test it out. So I did that part right. Set up the NAN workflow. It's really simple, cool, awesome. It's working for me. Like I actually saw value. And then once I get value, that's the next step is how do you get other people to get value? And I actually did take the next step. Like I'm part of this WhatsApp group with a bunch of founders in the UK mainly. So I posted it there, or I actually posted on Twitter, and then someone shared it in that group. Um, and then like a few people reached out, oh wow, this looks super cool. Can I get access? And I actually took it the next step, which is, I asked those people, all right, what criteria do you want? And then I set up like their own workflow. So I set up two other workflows. So that's the second step is like you give it to other people and then, got some early feedback that okay, this is really helpful. And the next step is you start charging them, right? That's how you know it, how valuable it is. But that part I got stuck at because you need a landing page, right? Oh, but then, if you need a landing page, you also need some sort of demo video. And it's like, all right, you need to integrate Stripe. And then, man, like it's the same stuff for each project. It's not like any of this is unique, but um I just get like I have I have different levels of ability in different tasks or different domains, right? Um, in coding, it's pretty good. In like product, it's really good. So I have a sense for, what works and what doesn't work. UX, UI, that sort of thing. In marketing, it's rubbish, man. Like so I tend to procrastinate on tasks that are more related to marketing. So stuff like making a video, polishing up the landing page, preparing launch posts. These things I tend to delay, procrastinate the
This is
most because
exactly
I'm least,
this.
yeah, I'm least good at, which is
Yeah.
actually the opposite, right? If you think about it, okay, those are the things you need to be practicing more on, right?
This is exactly what the guy was actually talking about, the comfort zone. We're
Yeah,
always
yeah.
we're always taking our time when it comes to the comfort zone. So when we're not comfortable, we just spend enough time because we just don't like the feeling of the uncomfort.
Yes. Yeah, you're right. 100%.
So I
That's
think
100% it.
the way about it is to uh, I think do the inevitable, do the uncomfortable things first.
Mm, mm. Do them first, so you're wasting
Yeah,
the least amount of time.
yeah. So you market. So if marketing is a problem, start marketing and then you start creating the product.
Yeah, and it's like tweeting about it. Man, one guy I think that does really well, that does this really well, is Josh Pigford. Pigford. Let me see if he's got a Twitter I can pull up. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Here's his Twitter. All right, so Josh Pigford. I mean, this guy launches projects like they're a joke, man. Right now, he's working on these 3D printed things, and he literally started it like 2 weeks ago, I think, maybe 2 weeks ago. Oh, he bought a 3D printer. Four 3D printers. Okay. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay. That's pretty interesting. All right. I mean, he's working on so many projects. Like, check out his site, man. This guy, like his projects, these are all the different projects. He's behind Bear Metrics, by the way, which he sold. Yeah, he sold for $4 million. And then he's also got a bunch of other projects. And projects, they work out great. If they don't work out, he sells them. And yeah, I mean, look at that. He's creating projects and selling them. Like, yeah, it's, it's nuts. Super fan. I mean, it's 2025. We're in April, and he's already launched three projects and sold one, and one of them is inactive now. And he's working on a toy company. What? Oh man. You think after you sell a company for like $4 million, maybe you start feeling like, okay, maybe I need to slow things
No,
down, think about my ego, what other people are gonna think about, I need to like the stuff I need to work on has to like
like
it
you
has
keep
to
a
have.
certain bar.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No, man, the
Yeah,
guy doesn't give a crap. I mean, he's just I love it. Like I love it, yeah. Random
we
nonsense.
should we should we should walk the same path, man.
Well, yeah, walk the talk, man. It's easy to talk, but who's gonna walk, right? Someone needs to do the
I
walking.
mean, I think we could, you know what we could do? Like we could like ship out this this Podzilla, and we could also like in parallel, we could start working on very tiny things, not very tiny, but like we would disregard the silliness of certain projects.
Bro, that's what
Like as
Podzilla is
long,
supposed to be. It's like a tiny project that we can just ship really quick.
yeah, but like Godzilla has become like a pretty huge project, to be
Godzilla.
honest. No,
Oh
but like
man.
Godzilla, like at the end of it, like if you think of it, like the value it brings forth, I think is tremendous. Like having the ability to
That's
brainstorm
how you
different
kid
ideas
yourself,
with.
man. That's how
No,
you
no,
tell
it's not
yourself, oh
kidding.
wow. You don't know if it's gonna be
No,
valuable or not until, the thing
no,
actually launches. And if it
like
was so valuable, like we'd
it
be
is
using it
true.
to actually post stuff, right?
Yeah, we're just like trying to how do you say this?
Tweak it,
I know
enhance it.
like value is only realized when people are actually paying for it. That's what you're saying. Yeah,
Yeah.
completely
And
understandable.
at
But it
minimum,
also
like, okay, you're saying it's valuable. Okay, I maybe you hope it's valuable,
you
maybe
would
you
be
think
using
it's going to be valuable, but it's not actually valuable because if it were, at minimum, we'd be using it, and then
using it. Yeah.
ideally, like someone would actually be paying for it. So hence we have some verifiable proof that okay, this is valuable.
Mm, true.
I get the hope, I think that's you probably need hope. But, you need to recognize that it is just you hoping, right? It's not actually proven.
What if like we like moving forward, like for every project we start, like we set a deadline. Okay, so we kind of like speculate on how long this will take to ship out. So if it comes to that time, we just ship it, even if it has bugs. It doesn't matter.
I feel like we
Ship
need to
it
just be ruthlessly, yeah, I agree with you 100%. Yeah. And
emotionless.
the way to do that is, okay, so setting a deadline is one part of it. The other part is also like we just need to cut back on so many. Like I should have shipped cracked names with just an NAN workflow and like a Stripe link. I post to Twitter. I say, hey, I get an email every morning. This is the email. If you want to sign up, here's a Stripe link. And then
Yeah,
when they submit the Stripe, like I can send them an email and say, hey, what's your criteria? And then just duplicate the NAN workflow, and then, set it up for them, and that's it. Like you don't need a dashboard, you don't need authentication, you don't need a landing
yeah.
page even. You literally just need a stupid demo video where you're showing them the email and talking about like, well, it could be a 1 minute demo. And that's it. Like, drop your email, reach out to me, pay, here's the link if you want to pay. Um, so I feel like that would have been, a great MVP, because at least then maybe I'd have one, two, five, 10. And based on like the number of customers, like that's going to be, the early feedback cycle, which is super important. That's probably the number one reason why you want to launch early and start getting that early feedback cycle going. And number two is like it's additional motivation, because if you see strong signals of people, paying for your stuff, then okay, you're more likely to build a landing page, because, obviously that's the next step. But man, like I kind of wish like I did that, right? But now I'm like halfway through. I've already got a landing page. So why you might as well just, make the landing page look good. And then while you're in the process of making it look good, you're making a demo video. And then, oh, the demo video is crap. Maybe I need to make it look good. And once you go down that rabbit hole, man, it's gonna take weeks longer.
The only way out is just to ship the bloody thing.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Having a deadline will help. So maybe it's having a deadline plus, you know, being willing to just post a demo video and a Stripe link. That's it. Like these are probably the bare minimum. Maybe even a demo video is optional, but demo videos are pretty quick to
I
record
was I was
if you're
going,
really
yeah,
low stakes about it.
I was going to say post the link, ship it out, and then make the demo video.
Yeah, with just text, you could do that. Like you could probably that would be
Yeah,
the minimum MVP, right? Is you just post
it's
a
like,
text.
yeah,
You make a text post and a link to this, Stripe payment. That's it.
it's like
It's
already done
already
and
done
said.
and said,
So the
so
demo
the
would be
demo
like,
would be like,
whatever. I'll just
whatever,
make
I'll
a
just
demo.
make a demo.
And the thing is, like, once
So
there's no
yeah,
backing out
yeah,
after that, because if you get even one
yes,
payment, like that's it. Like
that's
That's
it.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're
you're
stuck.
officially in business.
exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You should ship it out today, man.
Yeah, that's the plan. We'll just update the day. I mean,
Don't
okay.
update anything.
Anything,
Just
just
push it
push it
out,
out,
man.
man.
Just record I'm gonna jump straight into the demo video, man.
No,
Like
you
just
push it
demo
out, and
video and
then
launch
the
post.
demo, dude. Just I think you should just post it and then create the demo after.
Bro, I already have the landing page. I mean,
Yeah,
I
just
just
push
need
it out,
to.
man.
It's already pushed out, man. It's like cracknames.com. I already have that. Okay.
Ah, okay. Track names.
What's pending is
Stripe.
integrating Stripe so that people can pay for it, and then I'll still do it manually. So on the entire backend is still going to be NAN, and I will do it manually via email. But um, but yeah, for future projects, I think we definitely need to do just record demo video, post, or maybe just text post, and then post the Stripe link, and that's it. Like that's the starting point. It's going to work with some things better than others. I mean, for
Yeah, at least
Podzilla, I
for
don't know
these
how well that's going to
services.
work. Yeah, like how's it going to work with Podzilla where you actually need to generate the content? Maybe we just send it via email, right? Similar to Hack Names. You record using that Vapi link, because Vapi generates these links. Maybe you just record using that link, and then so we create an assistant for you, and then you record, and then it has a webhook set up so that it generates an email with the new content. So you can just copy the content from the email and then paste it into whatever you're using, Tweet Hunter or whatever, for scheduling the social media posts.
But with Podzilla, it's already there. Like
Yeah,
you
exactly. I mean,
can
it's the
onboard.
exact same
Yeah,
situation, right? But there, it's a more complicated piece of software. Like you actually have a dashboard, you've got authentication, you've got, a bunch of stuff.
webhooks. Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, but it would have been easier. What I'm saying is like there is an art to making true MVPs.
MVPs. Yeah, we should craft that art, man.
Yeah, it's gonna take practice. It's gonna take practice. But if we can,
Yeah,
like, imagine instead of spending God knows. I'm afraid to check, you know? I'm afraid to check
Yeah.
how many
You
episodes
don't have to
we've
check.
ran for vibe coding, okay? I'm not gonna check that. I already checked. Okay, it's 10 AI powered auto marketer. Okay, let me just search for marketer. 15. Okay. Bro, this is episode number 15. Episode, and each one of these is like a chunky 1.5, 2 hour. We've got a 2.5 hour one. I mean, bro, like imagine if instead of 15 episodes on an auto marketer that's still not complete, we could have had 15 different products shipped and
Mhm.
launched the same day. Imagine the
Yeah, I see
possibilities.
your point. Mm. Yeah, like I can think of a way MVP could have been done for automatic. Like just imagine you'd have like you wouldn't have any login or anything. You just click on a record button, you have a conversation, and then you'd have the tweets right away.
Yeah. Yeah,
No
exactly.
authentication, no login. Like on every refresh, I think it's and then you could only get access to the page maybe through a payment link, as you said,
Yeah,
manually.
100%.
Uh,
It's the same like Twitter bookmark. I mean, I had 29 videos. God,
Whoa.
29 videos on Twitter bookmark. That's nuts. I mean, this is unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. Like totally unacceptable. This should not have happened. This was bad. Like I should be learning from this. This should not be the case, okay? At some point I was making coding ASMR. There were so many videos. I was like, all right, let's make it a coding ASMR where you don't say anything and then I'm just typing away.
You just hear like the letters being typed.
Oh my God. Oh God. Okay. We're learning, okay? That's the point of this. Like it's a learning experience. Okay? It's an art
Yes,
and we're working on perfecting the art. That's okay. That's okay. It's all right to fail in public. That's totally fine. That's why we're doing this, right? Self-reflection. Okay. You know, it's random. This is totally random, unrelated to our last chat, but I found this site. What was it called? Thanks. Like Bucket.co. I was like, hey, that's a nice looking landing page. Oh, it looks sick, blah blah. And then I took a screenshot of the page and then I posted it to Lovable and I'm like, all right, make a landing page exactly like the one. And look what it came up with. It's not
well,
bad, huh? I mean, it doesn't have the images, but
actually,
it's
pretty
pretty
good.
decent. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing's responsive, so you have a menu. That's pretty sick. Color scheme is nice. Bro, I mean, I'm pretty impressed. This was literally one prompt. Okay, do this. That's it. Wow, that's a landing page. Like that's a landing page you can start with. Maybe this is the way to go, right? If you want a quick landing
Yeah,
page, yeah, you
like
copy something that already exists and then just make modifications.
I agree. Like
Yeah,
this is
so
really good.
this is
Like
amazing, man. Excuse me. Oh, oh, all right. Now they introduced dev mode, by the way. They got a built-in
so
editor
you
right there.
can
Is that
you
crazy or
can
what? You can modify it
edit
directly here.
things on the fly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nuts. Man, Lovable. I'm very bullish on Lovable. Very bullish.
fat
All right.
fingers,
What's that?
fat fingers.
What do you mean?
You know, this was supposed to be a joke.
Fat fingers? What's funny about
Yeah,
that?
you said bullish, so usually fat fingers is bearish.
Oh, it's a trading
Yeah,
thing. Right,
yes,
right.
yes, yes.
Update warp. And it's like every time I open Warp, that's the most annoying thing about Warp. How do you turn the updates off? Is there a way? Please tell me there's a way to turn off. I don't know how to update Warp. Okay, stop the update. Okay, whatever. I don't see the option to update it. To stop the. Okay, we'll install the update. Okay. All right. So, is there anything we need to change as a result of our discussion right now, or do we just keep doing the same stuff? Right? Do we just
Oh,
keep
I
doing
think
the same stuff? We should change something. What are we gonna change?
yes, we just ship it out. We should
We ship
figure
it
out
out?
how to ship. Yes, the way it is. Like, I feel like it's the like. Okay, so the main core is that you get to discuss with the AI, like to talk about, reveal
insights to
insights to
the
the
AI.
AI. That's the first
That's the
step. The
first
second
step. The
step
second
is
step
you
is
get
you get
content
Oh my
content
God.
generated
generated
out of.
I just exposed the
Hello.
Anthropic. Yeah.
Yeah,
Was my Anthropic API key exposed?
I didn't
I
pay
didn't pay
attention.
attention.
Like
Like
there
there
was
was
some
some
key, but
key,
I
but
didn't
I didn't
memorize
memorize
it.
Yeah, that's the beauty of the stream is you don't need to. Yeah, that's the beauty of the stream is
You
you don't
can
need to.
always roll back.
Yeah, that's the beauty of the stream is you don't need to. Oh man. Let me just. We should change something. Let me just kill the
Edit.
key, man.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, Louis. Yeah, it's there.
it is. I told you I just didn't memorize it. It's just a quick one.
Yeah, I'll kill the key now.
All right.
Sorry for exposing myself. SKN triple A. All right, let's just kill the key. Kill the key before someone drains it. All right, triple A, M triple A. All right, there we go. That's the key. We spent 6 cents already on that key. All right, we're gonna have to delete the key, unfortunately. Okay. All right, it's deleted. It's deleted, folks. There we go. You can use the key if you want, but it's gone. Sorry about that. Okay, that's the key. There's the key, but it's gone now. You can't use it anymore. All right, let's
Right,
delete
so I
that
was
key.
saying we've
Okay.
got two main working components that you can make a conversation, and then you get tweets generated out of that conversation, and then you can submit your feedback. I think that's good enough for the first version. Like the colors don't matter anymore. Like, the colors is fine, black and whatever.
So in order to get people to pay for this, we need some demo of the value, and then just a Stripe link that people can subscribe
Can
to.
AI can AI generate like a demo for us? Just
No,
wondering.
no, not yet, not yet. Unfortunately, you can't.
Okay.
Sign in. Is it dear? Oh, is that because the DB is not running? Okay. All right. Yeah. Cool. Oh, there's some sort of issue here. Okay. All right. Yeah. Cool. Um, content rules is what we worked on last time. Okay,
Somebody is
let's see.
getting the flus.
You what?
The flus.
The flus?
Yeah.
The what? I don't have a flu, man. It's just the cough.
If you say so.
All right. So I don't think there's anything more we need to do here. Like you
No,
said,
we should
we just need to show a demo.
and Stripe.
We need to show a demo and then add a Stripe link. That's it.
Yeah. And so how do we go about the demo? Like, is should it be like animation kind of demo or like a walkthrough or like
No,
a
no. A walkthrough of the actual product. That's what they want to
okay.
see, right? So it would
Yeah.
be so it would be end to end, right? What's the value proposition? Again, I remember we took some notes down. This must have been in Notion, Auto Marketer, right? So the
Yes.
problem is that they struggle to regularly create engaging content for social media. So we need to create um, extracting authentic ideas through live AI guided conversations, transforming them into polished posts and automatically. Okay, the automatically publishing is not really real, right?
Yeah, it shouldn't be there.
Ready to ready for publishing. Yeah, that looks good, right?
Document.
I mean, that seems
Yes.
pretty solid. Okay, this is the problem. This is exactly what we're doing. So we need to address that. So start off with something like, did you know fewer than 1% of people actually post on social media? The rest are lurkers. But why don't you post? Blah, blah, blah. Maybe, it's oftentimes you're just staring at an empty cursor and it's intimidating. What if there is an easier way? Introducing AutoMarketer. You can just have a conversation with an AI, just like you would with someone else. It extracts all the valuable information and insights that you have on a certain topic and automatically generates social media posts for you, ready for posting. It's effortless. A single half-hour conversation can give you enough content to post over the course of a month. Join
The whole
today.
month.
$50 a month. That's it. Join today. Bro, that could kill. That could kill.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty good. What I'm asking, like, what I'm wondering about is, do they actually value, and do they actually know the value of actually posting to social media?
Well, for those
Like
that
you said,
don't, it's
lurking.
better that we don't mention it because they wouldn't be our customers anyway. Like we're not
So
going to
yeah,
convince them that posting is beneficial
it's
to their
good.
careers or
Yeah,
whatever.
that's what
They're
I'm.
not going to buy.
That's what I meant. Yes, exactly. So our like target is are the ones who actually know the value, but are just lurking around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They feel
Okay.
the pressure to post. They want to
Yeah,
post,
but they just
but
can't.
they're not posting.
Approximation, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, they're lurking.
Mind
The
block.
lurkers with
Yeah.
money. The lurkers with money and guilt. That would be the ideal sort of customer persona.
Lurkers
Guilt
with
that they're
money
not
and
posting.
guilt. Okay. For not posting.
Man, this is like LinkedIn, bro. This is LinkedIn. These are the
What do
guys
you
on
mean,
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn?
We need
Oh, okay.
like you're gonna find some people that fit this ICP on Twitter, sure, but it's like you're describing the typical LinkedIn user.
Mm.
They
Interesting.
already know.
The value.
Okay, cool, amazing. I think we could feed this into GPT and get a kick-ass script that we can then just read out and then add some B-roll from the product, you know? I mean, it's not like during the like the product demo, you're not gonna be showing like, okay, a full conversation. It's just gonna be clips here and there. So it's like start a
Yeah.
call. So we would add like a new topic. That's the beauty. I mean, I guess maybe it's not too bad that we already have a demo because it's gonna make recording really easy. So it's like create a new topic that you want to talk about and then have a chat and then see the
Yeah,
content show up.
content is generated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can also mention that it gets better. It also gets better with time. So based on the feedback that you give it, it adjusts the voice to match
Okay,
your desired output.
for the content profile, like sorry, for the customer profile, um, should we also be specific in terms of business owners, or like it could be anyone,
Yeah, I mean, with money, so yeah, I guess you don't necessarily need to be a business owner, but maybe you
as
are.
long as okay,
Thing is,
okay,
like business
yeah,
owners, you're gonna have a difference between like startups that are funded, that are not
yeah,
funded,
yeah,
bootstrap. You probably don't want bootstrapped founders because maybe they don't have enough money.
mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
Okay,
even if you're an
that's
employee, you don't necessarily need to be a business owner. If you're an employee, you kind of see like a
that's
lot of
true.
people, or maybe you secretly envy like that guy in your office who's always posting and getting, all the likes. And you're like, I need to be more like that guy. What if there was a way to turn my money into that? I think there are a lot of people that would take that deal.
Yes,
But there's going to be, I think, what are their skepticisms? Like, what are their objections? It's crappy AI quality, right?
I don't think we should think
It's
about them now.
obviously fake. I mean, it kind of feels like, okay,
Mm.
they're going to be thinking this. Like you're going to go through the demo and they're like, oh yeah, another flashy demo. It's probably rubbish fake quality output. It kind of hints at where you need to maybe we need to at least tackle the top one or two in the demo video, just super quick. And I know what you're thinking. You probably think, oh, this is crappy AI quality, but check this out, and then just show like some samples of posts.
Good tweets, yeah.
But the
We
thing
should
is,
add
like,
it to the prompt.
where we generate tweets now, so we'll have to focus on Twitter. It's not going
Tweets,
to work for
yeah.
LinkedIn. Yeah. Oh man, I don't always overthink this, right? It's just a demo video. You want to get the script.
Yeah,
All
don't
right, so
overthink
get,
it, man.
bro. It's a habit that it's going to take a while to unravel, man. Like with every step, you can
Oh,
introduce three other steps just to optimize it, but at some point, you
yeah,
need to understand that you're just trying to
we
get
should just,
you're trying to get the thing done, right? That's number one
yes,
priority.
correct.
Is not make it perfect, make it done. That's it.
Let's check ChatGPT. We need a script.
Okay, so let's come up with um what's the list? What's the list of tasks for us today? Make a script, record the video.
Make a demo and publish publish the website.
What we don't need so make a Stripe link. That's it. Maybe they pay by Stripe, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you could either make a Stripe link, or you could send a link to this landing page. So let's sign out. This landing page, just start creating content, redirects you to Stripe. So instead of, and then you get an email for, signing up or whatever. Uh, so that way the link is to the site itself instead of to Stripe. Maybe. I don't know. Again, like, the point is to simplify it, not complicate it. And there are many ways
Let's
to
make the
complicate it.
script first. Yeah. Let's get the
Yeah,
script out of the
let's get
way.
the script going. You're right. You're right. Simplify. 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 Cool. All right, let's make the script. That should be done in like 5 minutes, right? Let's do this,
Depends
bro.
how good. Let's go for it.
No, even if it's crap, man, we'll give ourselves 5 minutes. That's what you need to do. It's what you got to work with. Make it happen, right? Make it
Let's
happen.
go for
Let's
it.
go. So we're gonna go 4.5. Good for writing and exploring. Yeah, that's what we need. I'd like a quick 60-second demo video script uh, for the below product description. All right, we'll feed in
Problem and ICP.
problem, ICP, um, and then objections, maybe.
Should also give it like a specifically for Twitter.
MVP only works with Twitter. We're adding, I don't know if we need to mention LinkedIn, so.
No. I think we should mention it.
Oh, yeah. So they can subscribe now and lock in
Yeah,
the.
LinkedIn and
What what
blogs.
what was the pricing again? We were going to charge $50 a month. What was pricing?
Yeah.
Where did we have pricing? Oh, we don't have pricing. I don't see the
We
pricing anywhere.
didn't we didn't settle on the pricing yet.
Yeah, I guess 50 a month maybe is good. This is going to cost us quite a bit
Demand
to run
depends
this.
on, but depends on how many minutes the guy will use. I think it would be dollars per minute.
So we charge per minute. I mean, that's going to complicate things, right? We want to validate that they would pay for this, but we don't know how many minutes, right?
No, like we know for a fact, like for a 30-minute call, it will cost us, I think, $10.
Yeah, yeah. So assuming they're going to do like an hour a month, which is maybe a good baseline, an hour a month, that would be like, um, yeah, I think that would be like $10 to $15. AI is negligible, so max it's probably going to be around 20 bucks a month. So we would need to charge more than that. Um, so I guess like as long as maybe 40, like 39 a month or 49 a month. Um, so say during beta we're giving them a discount. It's just 39 a month or 49 a month. Yeah, 49 a month during beta, and then outside beta it's going to be 99 a month. I mean, really, you need to benchmark it against ghostwriting, where you hire like, a ghostwriter and then they write for you. I mean, that's going to cost a lot. You're basically hiring this human being.
Or an agency that handles your social media stuff.
An Asian what?
Agency, like what
Why would you just
a
assume
company
they're
would do.
Asian?
No, not Asian, agency.
Oh, an agency. Oh, I thought an Asian guy. I'm like, what? Why would
No,
you
no,
just
no.
why would you assume the guy is
Like
going to be Asian?
no.
That's
It's like I remember like Betlico and other companies. It's like they outsource the marketing, if I'm not mistaken. So the company handles all social media stuff.
Yeah, against ghostwriting or social media agencies, which charge, 1,000 plus a month. We only
Mm,
charge 49 a month.
correct. Getting better. And also, how is there like a term for breaking the mind barrier? Like when you have this mind block where you can think, this actually helps you have insights. Like it kind of triggers the thinking process.
Yeah, empty page syndrome. I think that's what it's called. Empty blank page syndrome. Nah, manual. I don't know. I assume it can come up with like its own ideas. But I think this is a good starting point. I need a quick bathroom break, but I'm gonna keep this
Sure,
going.
sure.
I'm back. Oh, you
We
should,
can't hear
you
you.
should
We
post
can't
more,
hear
but
you.
it's tough, right? I like that. Okay.
I think your mic is disconnected.
Oh, is it? What about now? Can you hear me okay?
It's assuming. Yeah, now it's okay. I think it's
Cool.
assuming it will automatically post to Twitter or something.
Ready to publish posts. No more blank page anxiety. Oh, wow. I like that. Forget costly ghostwriters and complicated agencies. 49 months and you're always ready to post. I think you should mention, I don't know if we included this. You could add the angle where a single half-hour conversation can create enough content for a whole month.
Hmm.
What? It sounds too markety. Your new content creation partner. You can almost imagine like the stock photos on the screen.
Yeah,
What I was going for was more like, okay, a person doing a screen share. That's what I
natural.
was thinking.
Yeah, yeah, more natural flow.
The script should be more natural sounding. Imagine just a person, Persian, Persian
Persian
person.
screen.
Just imagine a person doing a screen share and sharing a demo of the product. I don't really like this canvas thing. I prefer the chat.
Yeah, like a conversational kind of
Yeah,
styling.
I want to see the old versions too. I don't want it to. Hey, I want to show you. Okay, it doesn't talk about the problem enough. Okay, I don't feel like you talked enough about the problem. Make them really vibe with it so they are eager to hear the solution. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I've totally been there. It sounds like a surfer dude. That's why I'm excited to show you Auto Marketer. All you do is have a simple chat about whatever's on your mind, and this tool pulls out your best ideas for you. Okay, we should mention that the chat is with an engaging. We should mention that the chat is with an engaging podcast AI podcast host who asks tricky questions to who's specially trained to ask tricky questions that pull out unique insights. We're getting there. We're getting there. I feel like what's it? Has it been 5 minutes? Maybe it has. Real talk. Posting consistently online on social media can feel overwhelming. You're busy, you're tired, honestly staring at a blank screen, trying to be insightful every day. It's exhausting. That's why I'm excited to show you. We don't need the bin there.
Good.
That's why I'm excited to show you Automarketer. Instead of struggling on your own, you have a conversation with this engaging AI podcast host. It's specially trained to ask tricky, insightful questions and pull out unique ideas you didn't even realize you had. Ooh,
Good one.
okay.
And like a,
Like, look at this. It instantly transforms your thoughts into posts you'd actually be proud to share. Just a half-hour chat, and boom, you've got a full month's worth of content. Bro, okay, okay, all right. Posting literally becomes just a single click, and the best part is it learns your style, adapting to sound exactly like you over time. Instead of blowing thousands on ghostwriters or agencies, it's just 49 a month during beta. So if you're done stressing about creating content, definitely check out Auto Marketer. It'll save you tons of time and probably your sanity. Oh, bro. I feel like we're there. Is there any other point that you feel is missing?
okay, I'm thinking about should we talk about more to come? Like it's not only Twitter.
Ah, we should mention that it's just Twitter.
Directly to Twitter. It mentions Twitter, but I'm thinking of like we state that more is coming. It's not only going to be Twitter.
Ah, named Ponzo. Okay, it's losing it, man. It's losing it. This engaging. Okay, so auto marketer. becomes Godzilla. Bro, this is amazing. I feel like this is okay. It'd be great if we could also mention that we're going to be introducing LinkedIn soon. Or maybe we add this to the landing page, man. Like we add it to the landing page and then say sign up to LinkedIn beta. Kind of like what we were going to do with the OCR Arabic site. Um,
Uh,
yeah, what do you think?
um, we can do it later.
Yeah, because we're not going to post this to LinkedIn because we're only going to post this to Twitter. I don't think it makes sense to post it to LinkedIn unless we actually have LinkedIn
Yes, correct.
integrated. Yeah. Cool. You think we can check it off?
Yes.
Beautiful. That's amazing. Bro, we actually did it. Okay, so first step, make a script. That's done. Now the tricky one. I mean, this is the make a script step, admittedly, is pretty easy. Like there's not a whole lot of resistance. Where I get the resistance, man, like this is where the perfectionist really tends to shine is recording the demo video. Like I could do 100 takes, just to get some stupid part of it done. This is gonna be tricky.
Let's do like a dummy run, and then we record one.
Dummy run?
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. Failed failed to copy to clipboard. Okay. All
I
right.
think you should
So
post the script Notion so that we will not lose it.
okay. So this part we'll make it just a bit lighter. Resin ice stone. What am I even doing, man? Does this matter? No, it doesn't. Stop
It's
wasting
not
time on
important.
stuff that doesn't matter. All right, close that.
Yes, man.
Okay. All right, cool. So let's see how this is gonna work, right? We're gonna start with this bit, and we're sharing. Okay, so we're gonna need Screen Studio for this. Oh man, I think I think this is gonna overload my computer though. So we're basically gonna have to do a new topic, or what? I mean, we're not gonna use halal investing as the topic, right?
Like we can like it can stay there, and we can add another topic. Like we can like through the demo we will be, because the point is we wanna. Okay, so we can either do a video with existing content or create a new content. Creating a new content means you have to do a recording.
Yeah, like a half-hour recording.
Yeah. So I think we could just do a demo of halal investing. Why not?
I don't know, man. It's like people are not gonna be able to understand, you know,
Relate. You're not gonna relate.
yeah, they're not gonna be able to relate.
Mm-hmm. What if we change the title? Instead of halal investing, we just go like stock investing. There's nothing in
Oh,
there that says Islamic. Yeah, Muslims should
Oh
definitely
yeah,
be
yeah. Or
involved.
ethical investing. Yeah, okay. All right. Ethical invest. Yeah, yeah. That's pretty smart. I like that. I like that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm thinking like how we okay, 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 okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. I mean, yeah, we just changed the topic. We could do this in the database. Or stock investing.
Topics
All
too.
right. Topic, yeah. Cool.
And
All right. Looks good. Bro, it's crazy. That was a brilliant idea. I really appreciate that. You know, I would have probably spent like an hour trying to come up with a new topic and recording, a couple of conversations just to get that going. But, thankfully we don't have to. We don't have to. That's beautiful. Let's fix the name. All right. Okay. Dashboard looks good. So
just check
welcome back.
content rules. Just quickly have a look at the content rules.
True, true. Very right.
Value
Great.
investing is in there.
It's in there?
It's the second rule.
Yeah.
You can edit.
I mean,
Uh,
maybe it's okay. Like the
yeah, it doesn't matter.
yeah, and no one's really going to be paying attention to that.
Let's give it a shot.
Okay. So okay, so let's see. I'm getting a bit nervous. I'm getting a bit nervous here. So we
What's
need to
about the
record.
second content? Can you read the second one? Muslims shouldn't. No, in the content, yeah, Muslims shouldn't have titles.
Yeah, I mean, the content is not really
You should reject it so that it will not create.
okay. I mean, no one's really going to read it. Maybe we just
Yeah,
need the
sure.
first two. We need the first two to be good, but we can't like make up. We can't make up content because then you're basically
Of
misleading
course,
people.
yeah.
Yeah,
No, because we changed halal investing to stock investing.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So we're gonna have to show them demos of posts you would be proud to share. So
Okay,
I can
we can
imagine
read the
like
first one.
you're
First
you're
one is
showing you're
relevant.
showing some examples and then you just blow up like one or two, like zoom into them,
Yeah.
and then that would
Yes.
be okay. These are the posts that
The
you'd be happy to
example.
share. Yeah,
All right. Let's go for it.
but what would they be, right? We need to. Hmm. Maybe we take. Wait, 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 wait. I just had an idea. What if we don't need to use our own content or record our own calls, right? Maybe we could just feed a transcript from a conversation that some popular guy on Twitter already had in a podcast. Oh no. But then
I think,
it wouldn't be the real thing,
I,
right?
yeah, I think the one we have is pretty okay. I think we just have to go for it.
We go for it?
Yes, let's do it, man.
But what are you gonna highlight as like the good post? Is gonna be the
First
stuff
one.
that's this one?
Yeah, approved. Yeah, for example, that's something you agree to. Like you can show them an example of an
Oh, this
approved
one
and
is
something to
decent.
review.
This is pretty general.
Yeah, you can move it to be unreviewed, and then you approve it in the video, and then you just focus on it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I see, I see, I see, I see. All right, okay. All right. Well, what am I doing?
You're going to Postgres.
Table plus. Okay, so we're looking for content.
Is that
Um,
approved?
so direct indexing is the future. We don't want that one. Where is it? Direct indexing. Oh, here it is. I saw it. Where did it go? Here it is. Okay, so this will be rejected,
No, it's
and then
reviewed.
so now we got the first one here. Oh, you're saying what? Put it in
I'm
reviewed?
thinking like you will be approving it in the video so that to show that you approve the content. So it
Oh,
should be
okay,
pending.
okay, okay. So pending. Okay. No, I don't want. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, I see, I see, I see. I see what you're saying. But it's not showing up anymore. Oh, I think that one was. Oh, this is LinkedIn. And that's why it's not showing up. I think it needs to be Twitter. What? No? Type. Okay.
Tweet.
Forget platform. Type equal to. Okay. So direct indexing. All right. This is. Well, that's already rejected. Um,
Pending.
so we need to make it. And then you have prediction in 5 years. That's going to be pending too. All right, there we go. So your point
Uh,
is we just approve it right here. Yeah?
yeah, and then you
So
should reflect that it goes to the approved section, like part of the functionality. Like, yeah.
yeah, I don't know if that even matters, right? That it shows up in the approved section.
No, just to reflect that you still can approve and reject tweets
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
don't like them, and then the system will update its, you know, thinking
Okay.
cognitive capabilities.
Yeah. Let's try to match this up with the UI, like what the person would actually be seeing. So comes up, it starts off with, okay, posting consistently on social media can feel overwhelming. You're busy, you're tired. Honestly, it's staring at a black screen, trying to be insightful every day is exhausting. That's why I'm excited to show you Podzilla. Instead of struggling on your own, you have a conversation with this AI podcast host. And that's where we click start new call, right? That's or maybe show the onboarding wizard where we're, going through the recording the first episode. It's specially trained to ask tricky, insightful questions and pull out unique ideas you didn't even realize you had. All right. So it shows just the screen of you having a conversation. And then look at this. It instantly transforms your thoughts into posts you'd actually be proud to share. And here we would show like the content that's pending review,
Recording.
and then you click approve. So that's like you're proud to share. Yeah. And then
Yeah.
just 1/2 hour chat, and boom, you've got a full month's worth of content. So then you would just scroll down and show like a lot of posts. That's that's what we would be showing here. Posting literally becomes just a single click. And the best part is it learns your style, adapting to sound exactly like you over time. So here, it'd be like when we here we would show the rejection part, right?
And content rules too.
Yeah. Oh, that's probably going to be a lot, right? Um, or maybe the AI part, like the AI part of the content rules. What do you think?
Yeah.
Like where, yeah, like our AI can analyze feedback patterns to suggest content rules. So generate rules with AI. This is going to be overwhelming. Like I don't think they're gonna
Okay,
they're gonna really
we can
understand that.
skip it. You can just mention it and skip it.
Yeah. The AI just gets better, you know. And the best part is it learns your style, adapting to sound like exactly like you over time. Okay. And then plus, instead of blowing thousands on ghostwriters or agencies, Podzilla is just 49 a month during beta. Okay, no need to mention. I guess during beta adds like a sense of urgency.
Hmm.
So if you're done stressing out about creating content, definitely check out Podzilla. It'll save you tons of time and probably your sanity. And then just show the domain name here, Podzilla.ai. That's it. I think we got it.
Let's go
I,
for it.
yeah, I think we got it.
We should
But
start from the login screen.
create a new account.
Well, no, but we don't want them to read through the content as you know.
Okay, so
I
I'll
don't think
create
we
a
should.
new account just so
But
we
the
can
new account
record.
doesn't have contents.
Yeah, yeah. We'll have two accounts. We'll have the new account which we'll use to record the recording part.
Yeah, and then we'll flip the.
Yeah, and then we'll sign into
But
the
the
old
name
account where we
Yazin,
can highlight.
yeah, but the name Yazin will be present there.
Oh, it's true. All right, so I'll just use this. All right, okay, let's create the account.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, okay, yeah, we need this. This is nice. So this will be stock
Stop.
investing, and then we'll record the call.
Stop. Yeah, let's do this.
I'm feeling some hesitation.
Why?
I don't know. It just feels like it. So two things. One, I think it's not gonna be good enough, but that's good. That's the feeling we're trying to fight. The other is I think this will overwhelm the computer and we'll probably end up cutting the stream. But we'll see if that actually happens. Screen studio. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so we want a window. I'm not sure if the size is okay. Don't worry, that was muted. Saved you. I spared you. Well, not you. You heard everything. I meant the stream.
Okay.
All right, so window, we're trying to get this window. All right, we'll resize it to 1280 by 720. Okay, maybe that's good enough. Okay, that's perfect. Great project. I don't think I picked the mic. Okay, so the mic, let's go ahead and pick the mic. That's gonna be this mic, camera, this camera. Oh, that's me there. So we don't need this one anymore. Oh, oh no. Just this one. So this is gonna be yep, cam link. All right, let's center that. Okay. All right, let's see. Now we go back to this. All right. But how am I going to read this script?
The your camera should be in the window, right?
What do you mean? Oh,
Like you're
inside
recording the
the browser
window.
window?
Yeah, shouldn't it be
Screen
there?
Studio takes care of that. So you can adjust that after recording.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it records the camera and the screen separately.
Perfect.
Yeah.
What's it?
All right. So I'm gonna move this here just so I can see it off the side screen here. So what's going to be visible initially? I'm guessing it's going to be just uh, the landing page, right?
Yes.
So Podzilla. Oh, we haven't deployed it. Okay. So maybe we just need to run the landing page. Are you opening something to eat?
Is it so obvious?
I can just hear you fiddling
It's full
with
of,
some wrapper. I hope it's delicious.
yeah, it is.
Well, I'm
It's
glad to hear that.
it's dates
Oh,
with coconuts.
it's a nice healthy snack right there. Beautiful.
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Uh, let's see. Okay, cool. I think we're ready to go. I think we're
Let's
enough
go for it.
procrastinating. We're ready to
Let's go
go.
for it, man.
Okay. All
Let's
right,
go for it.
let's do this. What? Okay, let's do that again. Okay. Posting consistently on social media can feel overwhelming. You're busy, you're tired, and honestly, just staring at a blank screen, trying to be insightful every day, it's exhausting. That's why I'm excited to show you Podzilla. Instead of struggling on your own, you have a conversation with this AI podcast host on any topic you like. It's specially trained to ask you tricky questions that pull out unique ideas you didn't even realize you had.
Excited to chat about stock investing. What's a counterintuitive insight you've had about stock investing that most people would disagree with?
Okay, I just paused it. Now we're going to switch to the other
The
account.
other account.
So let's sign out, sign in. Okay.
This is hey something. Yeah.
All right. Cool. All right. They started chopping something outside my room. Let's just wait for the sound to subside.
I can't hear it. Maybe.
You can't hear it?
Nope.
Oh, it's excellent. Well, we do have voice isolation on. Maybe we can just risk it and keep going.
Yes.
Look at this. It instantly transforms your thoughts into posts you'd actually be proud to share. Just 1 half-hour chat, and boom, you've got a full month's worth of content. Okay, then we switch to posting literally becomes just a single click. And the best part is It learns your style. Okay, let me get back to that. Switch to content rules. And the best part is it learns your style, adapting to sound exactly like you over time. Here's the part where we show the pricing page, but we don't have that. So I'm guessing we're just gonna replace it with something else. We probably shouldn't be showing localhost up here. I just realized it's part of the window. Anyway, whatever. No one's gonna pay attention to that. How are we gonna show the pricing page? Um,
I think we could just beta should be discounted, yeah.
yeah. Discounted from 99. I think v0.dev would have been a better option, but whatever. That's okay. It's probably quicker to do it here. Where did it go? Create a pricing section showing a price of 49 a month, discounted from 99 a month for the product described below. Okay. What happened here? Looks like it's
I
just
think it
stuck.
said the wrong description. No, I think it said the wrong prompt. Go back.
This?
Yeah, I think the prompt was changed. Like the part where you told it to create a pricing section.
Oh, yeah, it looks like it lost the plot somehow.
Let's just create yeah. See.
It's empty. Let's see if this comes up with something. Oh, cool. Okay, this is nice.
Nice.
All right, so we make this full.
Oh, Podzilla Pro.
Yeah, you're right.
For the
Oh man, it says LinkedIn, Twitter, and more.
should just be coming soon.
Okay, we'll just focus on we'll focus on that. Here. Yeah, yeah. This is good. Cool. Okay. All right, so ignore that. We'll just switch to the other screen and then continue with that. Plus, instead of blowing thousands on ghostwriters or agencies, Podzilla is only 49 a month during beta.
But it shows zero dev.
Dev?
Yeah, zero
Yeah.
V.
Where? Here?
Yeah,
v0.dev. Yeah, I mean, it's localhost here and it's v0.dev there. I mean, we're just winging it
at
here,
least we
man.
can
We're winging
try
it.
to at least leave it local host, man.
All right.
No, saying
Okay.
just change like yeah, that's it. Pricing, yeah.
Okay. This is excellent.
And the and
Still
the
says
and the
V0 in the
V0.
title,
Oh
but
my
what are you
God.
gonna do about that, right? Actually, you can do document.title.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Beautiful.
And the why is it changing?
Yeah. There we go.
The V0. You can delete it, yeah? The
This?
address. Yes. Just
I feel
hide
like
it.
we're really pushing the limit of things here. I don't know what it's doing now.
Yeah.
Oh, it thinks we're on mobile. There must be a way. Okay, open a new tab. We can just do this, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. It doesn't even show V0 anymore. Cool. This is good. All right, I'll re-record this section.
Yes.
Plus, instead of blowing thousands on ghostwriters or agencies, Podzilla is only 49 a month during beta. So if you're done stressing about creating content, definitely check out Podzilla. It'll save you tons of time and probably your sanity. Check out podzilla.ai. I think we're done. I think we're done here.
We're
Like
done,
for a
man.
first take,
Just it's a good one. It's a really good take.
let's see where'd it go.
Okay. Posting consistently.
Oh, like
Oh, we need to edit that. Let's open it up.
Okay. Posting consistently on social media can feel overwhelming. You're busy, you're tired, and honestly, just staring at a blank screen, trying to be insightful every day, it's exhausting. That's why I'm excited to show you Podzilla. Instead of struggling on your own, you have a conversation with this AI podcast host on any topic you like.
We can easily adjust like the spacing and everything, and um, I'm sure we can cut this down to probably under a minute. What I'm not sure about is if we can change the camera view, dynamic camera layout. Oh, okay, all right. This is amazing. You can make camera full screen, hide it, or change its position for certain parts of the recording. This is amazing. This is a new feature. I didn't see this before. So basically, in the beginning, we can make it full screen, and then during the recording, it goes
switching
back to
down
small,
to
and then maybe
zoom
at the
out.
end,
Yeah.
yeah, at the end, it switches to full screen again. Okay. All right. So this is just editing, yo. Okay. All right. So I need to add a task for edit the demo video. You feel like it's good? Do you feel like we need to do this again?
No,
All right. Okay. All right. Well, we'll
it's
see. We'll
great.
see. Okay. All right. This was the hard part. We'll see. We'll see. So we cut out the beginning.
Okay. Posting
So here we do a split. How do they split again? Option. So we don't need that.
consistently on okay. Posting consistently on social media can feel overwhelming.
Probably need to split it up, speed it up a little bit. Maybe 1.2.
Okay. Posting consistently on social media can feel overwhelming. You're busy, you're tired, and honestly, just staring at a blank screen, trying to be insightful every day, it's exhausting. That's why I'm excited to.
It's kind of boring because nothing's happening in the beginning, or they're losing us. Um, Maybe we need to swap out
Should
the
be full
screen.
screen.
Huh? Oh, the camera should be full screen?
Should be,
Yeah, you're right.
yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if that makes it any better. Okay, that should probably be here. Whoa, look at that transition.
That's why I'm excited to show you Podzilla. Instead of struggling on your own, you have a conversation with this AI podcast host on any topic you like.
Okay, I'm not sure why I paused there. You can easily fix that. Uh, oops, deleted the wrong thing.
Topic
So,
you like. AI podcast host on any topic you like. Conversation with this AI.
okay, so here we'll need to speed things up a little bit. So this will have a speed that's probably like 3x. Make it
With this
shorter.
AI podcast host on any topic you like.
Oops. Maybe speed just the video, not the audio. Oh, you can't split the two? You should be able to. Split? Hmm. Wait, can't you split the audio? Hmm. I thought. Okay,
Look at the gray.
this? Which one?
No, no, it's not.
This?
It's not good. No, no, no.
They all look overdone. Kind of washed out. No, not really feeling any of them. Whatever.
The bluish is okay.
This one?
No, the other one, the dark blue.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, that one.
Feels a bit corporate-y. I think this is great too.
Mm.
But whatever, whatever. Okay. So the idea here was typing. We should be able to speed up type. Okay, okay. So yo, speed up typing. How did I not see that before? Okay, I'm just trying to undo the split I made here. Oops. Oh, you can just click on it to cut it. Oh, that's beautiful. So here we do speed up typing. 3x. Okay, beautiful.
AI podcast host on any topic you like.
Okay, we'll make it even faster.
AI podcast host on any topic you like. Any topic you like.
Okay, this took way too long. Or actually, like we need to speed up this bit.
It's specially trained.
That part took way too long.
Yeah, yeah.
And this part is kind of waste of time until here, so we can just kill that. This we need to speed up.
That too.
It's specially trained to ask you tricky questions that pull out.
Oops. Oh, I cut the sound. I guess oh no. You can't do that if there's a video in here. Maybe I could hide the video and then record another audio on top of this. I'm not sure if you can do that though. The problem is it doesn't split the audio from the video, which is strange. Like I thought you'd be able to do that.
I think there is if it's similar to the other software, I think you can also, like you can control click, it will remove both.
Control click?
Yeah, like control cut.
Um, import audio? Oh, yeah, this is exactly what I was trying to do. And to import vo audio, it's planned. Okay, it's planned, but it's not live. Edit the screen recording based on that. Yeah. Why is this not done yet? Uh, ah. Okay, so you can't do that. Add voiceover. Yeah, this is it, man. Any updates? Roadmap? Ability to pause recording, merge multiple projects. Oh man, he's got a lot going on. So this is, yeah, that's append external video clips. Okay. Yeah, quite a busy roadmap. It's not even planned though, it's in review. But judging based on upvotes, I mean, there's 130 people waiting for this. Need to get a move on. All right. Anyway, yeah. So how do we do this? Um,
So the audio doesn't get removed. Can you try to crop the audio itself? Like, would you get can it be cropped?
we can't do anything with the audio separate from the video. So if you want to cut out like video, it's going to cut out the associated audio too.
Hmm.
Yeah, I mean that's a problem. Unless like so we do video editing. Oh man, probably have to do it in QuickTime. It's gonna be so annoying. We're gonna need to speed things up here and there, and
But
we
if
can't
what if we
do
just
audio.
cut the part? Like, it's the waiting time that's really causing us. Like we just crop till the, like we just add a filter in there, like a transition, and it just crops the, like with the audio, like doesn't matter.
What happened to the audio? Stop working. Hmm, Not sure. Do you hear the audio?
I'm checking the live. I only get it in the live, so I'm like a little behind.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the audio is not working. I can't hear it anymore.
It'll save you.
Okay, bye.
On any topic you like. It's specially trained to ask you tricky questions that pull out. Look at this. It instantly transforms your thoughts
I mean, I guess it's okay, but we'd need to modify the audio part separately. So I think for this section, we just hide the camera. So hide camera.
Instantly sites. That is
We have a
context.
camera layout here.
This is a context speech.
So here we
That's why I'm excited to show you Godzilla. That's struggling on you have a conversation. It's on any topic like it's trained to ask you tricky questions that pull out you tricky questions that pull out relation.
okay, I see. So we can record just that bit outside, like from another. So we would export it and then we would just record over that part and any other part, I guess, which is required. Huh. Okay. Um,
Your thoughts, your thoughts, that pull out that
the audio scrubber is causing issues with actually playing the audio. Um, anyway, I think we can edit the video and then record the audio over it outside. So that would allow us to keep going instead of having to start from scratch. So this is fine. This is fine. Okay, type quickly and then connecting. I mean, this part, yeah, I guess it's okay. Like you can't really speed this up because it'll mess with the audio. So we'll just have to keep it as it is. And then this part, that's fine.
look at the look at the look
This part is
just at the pull out. Look at this. It instantly transforms your thoughts into posts you'd actually be proud to share. Just one pull out. Look at it. Instantly transforms your thoughts into posts you'd actually be proud to share. Just 1.5 hour chat, and boom, you've got a full month's worth of content.
yeah, the audio and the video aren't synced up. That's the problem. So if we
Post learn
like, I don't even know how we would fix that. We'd have to fix it in another program outside where we can separate the audio from the video.
posting.
I see.
So the thing we can do here is um, we would just turn off the video until the very end. So during the chat, we'll have the video off during the demo. It's only 60 seconds, so maybe it's okay. I'll turn the camera off throughout, except at the beginning and the end. And then that means we don't have to worry about, modifying the audio because there's no mouth that's moving. And then we can tweak the video, make sure everything in the video demo is good. And then we record a separate audio outside and overlay it on top of the video. So it'd be like me just watching the video and then narrating it. That's it.
I see your point.
Maybe we should start with the narration Maybe we should start with the narration and then use the timing on that clip um, for the video editing. So the video editing perfectly matches up with the narration because we can't mess with the speed of the narration. Actually, we can. We can add pauses and speed it up. Mm,
Like we can hide the imperfections by cutting off, like
audio.
it's as like yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's like a transition from one topic to another.
Mm, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Plus, you can probably add captions. They have captions here.
Look at the it, it, oh, pause, you def question. Tricky
Need to add
con.
text at the end. Do they have that option? Background
They've
and
linked your
screen, crop, mask. I don't. I don't think it allows you to add text. It's pretty basic. Like this is not meant as a full-blown editor. It's really just for demos. So it's very basic. And I'm not sure it makes sense to keep editing this live. I could do this offline, and then next time we can make the Stripe link and post it. Maybe we can't hit like one demo a day today, but if it's two videos to get to like an actual post, maybe that's okay. Or maybe you just post it today, like offline. Uh, I just need I
Rest.
just need to do the yeah, I need to get out and stretch and then do the video editing uh once I've cleared my head a little bit because I hate video editing. Um so yeah, nah, we can once we get the video editing done, it's just setting up the Stripe link and posting it. So I think I can do that today. The video editing will probably take another half hour. Um, yeah, I can start the stream then. Maybe you can join if you can. If not, it's cool too. I'll just stream the actual posting.
Sure. When will you stream it?
I don't know. I'll text you when I'm done with the edit, and then we should be we should be able to wrap it up pretty soon after
All
that. So
right.
I don't think it's gonna be that long.
Okay.
Alrighty, that's it for the stream today. I'm actually quite surprised that we were able to stream the whole way, like even with the recording and video editing. So I hope it turned out okay. We'll see you guys maybe later today, maybe Sunday. All right. Adios.